Thinking about selling your business in California, don't make these mistakes. They could cost you thousands of dollars. Hi, I'm Holly Che. I help entrepreneurs in California buy and sell businesses the smart way. And in this video, I'll break down 10 clear steps you need to follow if you want to sell your business successfully in California. I'll also share a few insider tips most sellers don't know. So stay with me until the end. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Step 1, get clear on your why. Why are you selling? Is it retirement, new opportunities, burnout, or relocation? Buyers will likely ask this question. Step 2, know the true value of your business. Get a professional valuation. California buyers, they're smart and they'll do their homework. So valuation will consider your profit, assets, industry, location, and your market demand. Step 3, organize your financial records. Have at least 3 years of tax returns, P&L statements, and balance sheets ready. Clean financials equal to buyer trust. Messy books, well, that equals to deal delays. California buyers often will ask for an SBA loan, and these lenders will require accurate records. Step 4, prepare your business for sale. Think of it like selling a house. Would you buy a house with broken doors and messy rooms? Probably not. So fix those operational issues, document systems and processes. Step 5, confidential marketing. In California, confidentiality is huge. Use a business broker to market your business discreetly. Step 6, qualifying buyers. Not every interested person is serious. Check your financial capability. Look at the experience in the industry. Avoid those time wasters or tire kickers. Step 7, negotiation and offer. Buyers will usually start slow, so don't take it personally. Structure matters though. It would be, is it an asset sale or a stock sale? And that's important for taxes in California. A business broker and an attorney will guide you here. Step 8, due diligence. This is where the buyer reviews everything from your finances to contracts, leases, employee agreements, etc. Be transparent, because hiding any issues can kill the deal. Step 9, legal documents and escrow. In California, most businesses sales do go through escrow. Escrow ensures money, assets, and documents are exchanged fairly. Key legal documents, the purchase agreement, bill of sale, lease transfer agreement. There's a bulk sale notice required in California to notify creditors. And step 10, closing the sale. The final signatures, transfer of funds, handing over your keys, systems, and training. So, selling your business in California doesn't have to be overwhelming as long as you follow these steps. Get your valuation, prepare your financials, protect confidentiality, and always work with the right expert. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more tips on business buying and selling in California. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.